Hi guys, and welcome. Today we're going to learn how to create a countdown timer in PowerPoint. To understand the basics, let's create two shapes. The first one will be for the countdown timer, and the second one will display the number of minutes. Make sure the shape for the number of minutes is named time limit, and the other shape is named countdown. Next step, right-click on the toolbar and select Customize the ribbon. Make sure that checkbox Developer is active. On the Developer tab, click View Code. Left-click on VBA Project, then click Insert and choose Module. Insert the code that you are able to find at the video description. Make sure you didn't skip the part about naming the shapes and that your shapes have the exact names shown on the screen. Add the number of minutes to the shape outside the slide area. Open the Insert tab, click on the shape responsible for the timer, then click Action. Under Run Macro, choose Countdown. Let's see how it works. Now let's customize our slide a bit. Add a background and some text. To make the shape transparent, as shown in the example, right-click on it, select Format Shape, and choose No Fill. It works. Now I'll show you how you can reuse what we've created in your own design. You now know how to work with a countdown timer. I hope this exercise will be useful.